My dear students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Let us recall section 1 and 2 from the lesson Friendship. Vetri had a leading construction company, but after his father's death, he was forced to split the wealth to his brothers. Due to this, he took loans to run his company, but could not pay the loans. So he sold all his properties and paid the loans. But his desire was to start a construction company. His wife suggested him to ask his dearest friend Asif. Vetri hesitated to ask him. After deep thought, he decided to meet his friend Asif, who was in Chennai. While he was traveling by train, his memory went back to his school days. Vetri and Asif studied in a school in the outskirts of Keelakudi village. Their friendship started on the first day of school. Asif consoled him with a chocolate while Vetri started crying on the first day of school. Then they stayed together, played together, and even exchanged their food. They were good in studies. One day, there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif's families, but this did not affect their friendship. After 10th standard, Asif moved to Chennai and Vetri settled in Coimbatore. Students, now let us go to section 3. Vetri went straight to Asif's office. As he reached the gate, the security stopped him. "Whom do you want to meet, sir?" Vetri nervously said, "I want to meet Asif. I am his friend." The security was astounded. "Mr. Asif is our MD. Are you sure you want to meet him?" Vetri hesitatingly said, "Yes, I am his friend from his native place." The security said, "Check with the people in the reception, sir. I don't know if you will get an appointment." The meaning for nervously is in an anxious or uneasy manner. Astounded meaning is shocked or greatly surprised. Hesitatingly means to be reluctant or wait to act because of fear. When Vetri went to Asif's office, he was stopped by the security. The security was shocked to know that he had come to meet his MD Asif, who was his childhood friend. Then the security asked him to check in the reception for an appointment. Vetri walked to the reception. Receptionist asked him, "How can I help you?" Vetri said, "Can I meet your MD? Please tell him Vetri from Keelakudi has come to meet him." Suddenly, the receptionist rose from her chair. The door behind Vetri opened. Vetri got a pat on his back. "Finally, you found me. I saw you through the CCTV camera," said Asif. Vetri was dumbfounded. Vetri gathered, "No, Asif, I never got the chance to visit Chennai. Now I have come to attend my friend's wedding, so I thought I would come to meet you." They spoke about their school days and the fun they had. Then they discussed their business. Asif took Vetri to his home for lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. Asif's wife said, "We all know you, but this is the first time we are meeting you in person." He stayed till the evening and Asif dropped him in the railway station. Meaning for dumbfounded is speechless with amazement. Dropped, the act of a person or thing that drops. Vetri walked to the reception and asked the receptionist to inform their MD that Vetri from Keelakudi has come to meet him. While he was talking with the receptionist, Vetri got a pat on his back. It was Asif, his friend. Asif saw him through the CCTV camera and came down to receive him. Vetri was speechless with amazement and apologized to Asif that he did not get a chance to visit Chennai till then. He said that since he had come to attend his friend's wedding, he thought that he could meet him. They spoke about their school days, the fun they had. They discussed about their business. Asif took Vetri to his home for lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. In the evening, Asif dropped him in the railway station. Students, can you tell me for what purpose Vetri wanted to meet his friend Asif? Yes, to borrow money to start a construction company, isn't it? But he did not ask anything to his friend. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. She knew her husband, so she didn't ask anything else. 2 days later, Vetri received a call. "Am I speaking to Vetri?" Vetri said, "Yes." The voice said, "Our MD, Mr. Asif, has assigned a project to you. He wants to meet you. Will you be able to come to Chennai?" Vetri couldn't believe it. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. His wife knew about him, so she didn't ask anything else. 2 days later, he received a call from Asif's office stating that Asif, their MD, had assigned a project to Vetri. Students, Vetri hesitated to ask help from Asif, but as a true friend, Asif understood Vetri's situation and he assigned a project to Vetri. Students, anything is possible if you have the right people beside you. It means when you have good friends in your life, the goals of your life become easier to achieve. You should look for friends who have good qualities and seek out for new friends who are positive and supportive. We should also try to avoid negative friends so we can maintain a healthy, active social life. Okay, students, we have completed the lesson friendship. Really, it was very interesting. I hope you would have understood the story about true friends. Okay, children, I will meet you in the next class. Till then, obey your parents. Take care. Bye.